Welcome back to the video tutorials on how to edit your website using Qubit. This video is going to be explaining how to create a click to enlarge gallery, also known as a quick gallery. The first step is, of course, to log into Qubit, and I'm going to go ahead and create a page. So click the Create Page button, name the page either Gallery or Portfolio or whatever you want to name it. I'm going to go with Gallery. And go ahead and hit Create. Then you want to click in the middle of the page and go ahead and click on the Insert Image button, which will get you to the Image Manager. And of course I don't have any folders here, so I want to go ahead and create a folder so that the gallery will pull from everything in that folder. So click Create Folder. I'm going to name the folder. We're going to call it Gallery. Spell it right, of course. Just Gallery, all lowercase, no spaces, no special characters, just Gallery, create. And there you got a folder called Gallery. Then of course I'm going to click on it to go into it. You'll see the up arrow, which means leave the folder or close the folder. You know you're in the correct location because it says Uploads, Gallery. So once we're inside the folder, go ahead and click Upload. We're going to select some files to upload to the gallery. I'm going to go ahead and select all three of these and hit Open. And then hit Upload to Server. If you have a lot of images and they're high resolution, which these aren't, this may take a little while. It's important to keep in mind when you're creating images to put in your gallery that you don't use 5 or 6 megapixel images. They really need to stay in the range of 800 by 600 pixels at 72 dpi. They also need to be RGB, which you'll find notes on all those details in the video tutorial page for this, actually right below this video, that you'll be able to see it. Okay, so we have 3 images that are placed inside the gallery folder, which is also inside the uploads folder. So once you're done, go ahead and leave that, and you'll notice that there's just a gallery there. And when you're done, just go ahead and close that out because you've uploaded your images. The next step is to go to sitetechsupport.com. You'll go, starting from the home page, you'll click on Tutorials, then Qubit Tutorials, scroll to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a link there that says Qubit Tools. So click there, and you'll see the Quick Gallery. Quick Gallery has this crazy line of code here in red. Basically what you'll do is you'll hit Control C or right click and copy, and then go back to Qubit. And then in Qubit you're going to go ahead and center the text and type a message into your customer, something to the effect of click on an image below to see a larger view. And what I like to do is change the font size to 14. And then after that you basically just paste. There's no special characters or anything in here that are going to break your website. Normally I would recommend pasting through Word, but anything you copy from our website is going to be pretty clean. Just don't get in the habit of copying any information from another website, because there may be CSS that's inside the text that you've copied that is going to cause your site to break. So it's always a safe procedure to paste through Word. But in this case I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in directly because I know there's nothing in this because I created it. Okay, so the important element of in this code is the gallery, the word gallery. It has to be lowercase, and of course all your images that are on your website are in the uploads folder. So you want to make sure that you have the word gallery in there, no extra spaces or anything. And then here's where you'll adjust the width and height of the thumbnail, and then you can turn the reflections on or off by changing this from 1 to 0 if you want it off, but I have it on. You can also turn the titles off whenever the image is large in its large view. So anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. You go ahead and hit save, and then we'll go to the front end and view it. And of course, anytime you add a page you have to refresh, so we're going to hit refresh, and there's the gallery page. Click the gallery, and the 3 images show up. And of course there's the reflection that I was talking about. And it starts in the left corner and just adds them as it goes along, but we only have 3 here. So we'll go ahead and click the photo, and it shows the large view. puts the name of the file down there, and a little arrow and a close window. It does a nice little tinting out of the background so your focus is on the photo. Customer can hit next and see the next photo, next and see the next photo, and of course it loops through. So that's pretty much all there is to the gallery. Now let's say you wanted to let's go back to the back end. You wanted to adjust the height and width of it. Let's make the thumbnails a little bit larger. We'll make it 220 by 180. And let's say we take the reflections off. So we're going to hit 0 for the reflections, and we're going to go ahead and save. You'll notice that this red text is actually replaced by the images on the website. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh that, and now the images are larger. Now the 3 images won't fit anymore because they're too large. So depending on what size thumbnails you want, it actually automatically crops it to the dimensions that you gave it, and then when you click on it, it shows the full image. So, but I'm going to go ahead and adjust that back down to a smaller size. Let's go really small. Let's go 150 by 100. Save and refresh, and they're much smaller, which this is a good size thumbnail. And that's pretty much all there is to a gallery. We have more galleries coming soon. We're going to have probably 3 or 4 different styles of galleries, but this is one of the standard galleries that you can use. And of course you can manually make a click to enlarge gallery if you want as well, but that'll be another video tutorial. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.